Learn English naturally, one conversation at a time.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Conversations. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Jacob. How are you today, Olivia?
I'm doing great, Jacob, and I'm really excited about today's topic.
Me too. Today we're going to talk about something very important. We're going to talk about comparing yourself to other English learners.
Yes, and why you should stop doing that.
Exactly. You know what? Many students feel sad or slow because they compare themselves to other people.
That's so true. They watch videos on the internet, they see other learners speaking perfect English, and then they think, why am I so slow?
Right. But here's the thing. Comparing yourself to others isn't helpful. It makes you feel bad.
Absolutely. So today, we want to help you stay happy while learning English.
And we have a great phrase to share with you. It's this: your only competition is the you from yesterday.
I love that phrase. Your only competition is the you from yesterday. Let me say it again slowly. Your only competition is the you from yesterday.
Beautiful. We'll explain what that means in just a minute.
But first, if you're enjoying this podcast, please hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss an episode.
Yes, please. We really appreciate your support. It helps us make more free English lessons for you.
Okay, Jacob, let's get started.
So, Olivia, let me start with a story. Imagine there's a student. Let's call him Paul.
Okay, Paul. Hi, Paul.
Yes, hi, Paul. So Paul has been studying English for 6 months. He practices every day. He listens to podcasts. He watches English videos.
That's great. Paul sounds like a hard worker.
He is, but Paul has a problem. He goes on the internet and he sees other English learners.
Uh-oh. I think I know where this is going.
Yeah, Paul sees a video of someone speaking perfect English. This person is the same age as Paul. They started learning at the same time.
But this person sounds much better than Paul.
Exactly. And Paul thinks, why am I so slow? Why can't I speak like that?
Oh no, poor Paul. He's comparing himself to others.
Right. And now Paul feels sad. He feels like a failure.
But Paul isn't a failure. He's making progress. He just can't see it.
Exactly. This is the problem with comparing yourself to other people. You only see their success. You don't see their struggles.
That's such a good point. You don't know their story. Maybe that person studies 5 hours every day.
Or maybe they already speak 3 other languages.
Right. Or maybe they live in an English-speaking country.
Exactly. Everyone's journey is different. Everyone has a different starting point.
So when you compare yourself to someone else, it's not fair. It's like comparing apples and oranges.
What does that mean, comparing apples and oranges?
Oh, it's a common phrase. It means comparing two things that are very different. They're not the same, so you can't really compare them.
I love that. Comparing apples and oranges. Your English journey and someone else's English journey, they're like apples and oranges.
Exactly. So don't compare. It only makes you feel bad.
Good advice, Olivia. Good advice.
Okay, so we know the problem. Comparing yourself to others makes you unhappy.
Right. So what's the solution?
The solution is this: compare yourself to yourself.
Yes. Remember that phrase? Your only competition is the you from yesterday.
Let's break that down. Competition means when you try to be better than someone else.
Right. Like in a race, you compete with other runners.
Exactly. But in English learning, your only competition should be yourself.
The you from yesterday.
Yes. So here's the question. Are you better today than you were yesterday?
Or last week, or last month?
Exactly. That's what matters. Not if you're better than some person on the internet, but if you're better than the old you.
I love this idea. It's like climbing a mountain.
Ooh, I like that metaphor. Tell me more.
Okay, imagine you're climbing a mountain, a big, tall mountain.
Okay, I'm imagining it.
Now, there are other people on the mountain too. Some people are ahead of you. They're higher up.
Right. They started earlier, or they climb faster.
Exactly. But here's the thing. You shouldn't look at them. You should look at where you were before.
Oh, I see. You should look down and see how far you've climbed.
Yes, maybe you were at the bottom of the mountain last month, but now you're halfway up.
That's progress. That's success.
Exactly. It doesn't matter if someone else is at the top. What matters is that you're higher than before.
I love this metaphor. Climbing the mountain. Your English learning is like climbing a mountain.
And you climb it step by step, small steps.
Yes. Let's talk about small steps, small victories.
Okay, so a victory is a win, a success.
Right. And a small victory is a little success, something small that you did well.
For example, maybe today you learned 5 new words. That's a small victory.
Or maybe you understood a whole English song. That's a victory.
Or maybe you had a short conversation with someone in English. Even just, hello, how are you? That's a victory.
Yes, these small victories are so important. They show you are making progress.
And when you notice these small victories, you feel happy, you feel motivated.
Exactly. So here's my advice. Every day, ask yourself this question. What's my small victory today?
Ooh, I like that. What's my small victory today?
Maybe you write it down in a notebook or you tell a friend.
Or you share it in the comments of this podcast.
Yes, we would love to hear your small victories.
So, listeners, here's our question for you. What's your small victory in English this week?
Maybe you learned a new phrase? Maybe you watched a whole English video without subtitles.
Or maybe you just studied for 10 minutes every day this week.
All of these are victories. They all matter.
Because remember, you're not competing with other people. You're only competing with the you from yesterday.
Okay, Jacob, I want to give our listeners some practical tips, some things they can do today.
Good idea. So tip number 1?
Tip number 1, stop looking at other people's English.
Just stop.
I'm serious. If you watch other English learners on the internet and it makes you feel bad, stop watching.
That's great advice. Protect your energy. Protect your motivation.
Exactly. You can watch other people later when you feel more confident.
Okay, tip number 2, keep a progress journal.
Oh, yes. A journal is a notebook where you write things.
Right, and a progress journal is where you write about your progress, your improvement.
So every week, write down what you learned, what you did, how you improved.
For example, this week I learned 20 new words. I watched 2 English videos. I practiced speaking for 30 minutes.
Yes, and then next month, you can read your journal. You can see how much you've improved.
That's so motivating. You can actually see your progress.
Exactly. Okay, tip number 3, celebrate small wins.
Yes, don't wait until you're perfect. Celebrate the small things.
Right. Did you learn one new word today? Celebrate. Say, good job, me.
I love that. Good job, me.
It sounds silly, but it works. When you celebrate, you feel happy. And when you feel happy, you want to keep learning.
That's true. Happiness is important for motivation.
Absolutely. Okay, tip number 4, be patient with yourself.
Oh, this is a big one. Be patient with yourself.
Yes, learning a language takes time. It's not fast.
Right. You can't learn English in 1 week or 1 month.
It takes months, sometimes years.
But that's okay. It's normal. Everyone takes time.
So be kind to yourself. Don't say, I'm so slow or I'm stupid.
Right. Instead, say, I'm learning. I'm making progress.
Yes, talk to yourself like a good friend. Be kind.
I love that advice, Olivia. Be kind to yourself.
Okay, everyone, we're almost at the end of today's episode.
Let's do a quick recap, a summary of what we talked about.
Good idea. So, number 1, stop comparing yourself to other English learners.
Number 2, your only competition is the you from yesterday.
Number 3, celebrate small victories. Notice your progress.
Number 4, be patient and kind to yourself.
And remember, learning English is like climbing a mountain. You go step by step.
You don't need to be at the top today. You just need to be higher than yesterday.
Exactly. And every step is a victory.
So, listeners, we have a question for you, an engagement question.
Yes, here it is. What is your small victory in English this week?
What did you do? What did you learn? How did you improve?
Please share in the comments. We really want to hear from you.
And when you share, it helps other learners too. They see that everyone is making progress in different ways.
That's right. We're all climbing the same mountain, but we're all on different paths.
Beautiful way to say it, Olivia.
Thank you. Okay, everyone, that's all for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Easy English Conversations.
If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button and subscribe.
And share this podcast with a friend who's learning English.
Yes, help us spread positivity and motivation. All right, everyone, keep learning, keep climbing, and remember,
Your only competition is the you from yesterday.
see you next time.
Bye-bye.